Today in this class, I am explain about the next unit, intellectual property. Unit 10, intellectual property. In this unit, we discuss about intellectual property rights, types of intellectual property rights, patents, trade secrets, copyright, trademarks, and choice of intellectual property protection. IPR and plant genetic resources, and GATT and TRIPS, patenting of biological material, international applications, implications of patenting, patenting of turmeric and neem, patenting transgenic organisms and isolated genes, patenting of genes and DNA sequencing. Definition of intellectual property. Intellectual property pertains to any original creations of the human intellect, such as artistic, literary, technical, or scientific creations. And the intellectual property rights refers to the legal rights given to the inventor or creator to protect his invention or creation for a certain period of time. These legal rights confirm an exclusive right to the inventor or creator or is assigned to fully utilize his invention or creation for a given period of time. And the intellectual property rights are the legal rights that protects creations and or inventions resulting from the intellectual activity in the industrial, scientific, literary or artistic fields. And intellectual property is a term referring to creations of the intellect for which a monopoly is assigned to designated owner by law. And the next topic is types of intellectual property rights. First one patents, second one trademark, and third one copyright, and fourth one trade secret. First one patent. Patents. A patent is the grant of a monopoly right for an idea or development which is new and not obvious over anything that was previously known. It provides a right in the country concerned to prevent other from using an invention in return for public disclosure of the invention. A patent is used to prevent an invention from being created, sold, or used by another party without permission. And patents are the most common type of intellectual property right that come to people's mind when they think the intellectual property rights protection. A patent owner has every right to commercialize his or her its patent, including buying and selling the patent or granting a license to the invention to any third party under mutual agreed terms. And the next topic is patentable subject. Patentable subject of patents are articles of manufacture, machines and composition of matter and plants and designs. And processes are method of purifying a protein or nucleic acid, method of screening for useful drugs, and business methods. And unpatentable subject. First one naturally occurring compounds, laws of nature, discovery, mathematical method, or scientific theory. And abstract ideas and technology already known, and a literary, dramatic, musical, or artistic work or any other aesthetic creations, and a scheme, rule, or method for performing any mental act, playing a game, or a program for a computer. And there are three major types in patents. First one, design patent. Second one, plant patent. Third one, utility patent. First one, design patent. Design patents: anyone who creates a new design for a product can apply for a design patent. For example, beverage bottle and furniture. In beverage bottle, think of the shape of the Coca-Cola container, and the furniture like kneeling chair. And second one is plant patent. Botanists involved in grafting and creating new hybrid plants form can apply for a plant patent. For example, including a asexual reproducing plants. And third one, utility patent. Utility patents: anyone who invents or discover any new and useful process and machine, article of manufacture, or composition of matter, or any new and useful improvement thereof can apply for utility patent. For example, utility patent includes composition of matter, processes, and biotech patents. And protection. The term of protection is in general 20 years, the filing date of the patent application. Duration of plant material protection: 12 years for annual plant species, and 17 years for perennial plant species, and 27 years for woody trees. And next one is trade secret. Trade secret has been defined as a trade secret is anything, a formula, process, method, mechanism, tool, pattern, or device which the disclosing party desired to keep secret. Trade secrets usually include such things as the manufacturing details for a product, variations, or alternative uses, and a form of industrial property which refers to a non patented process, mechanism, or formula known only to its owner, that is used in producing something of commercial value. And trade secrets is a formula, process, design, instrument, pattern, commercial method, or completion of information which is not generally known or reasonably ascertainable by others, and by which a business can obtain an economic advantage over competitors or customer. And the type examples of trade secrets: a fish medicine for chronic asthma patient, a traditional treatment known only to Batini Gowda and brothers of Hyderabad. The medicine is given out only once a year on an auspicious day determining by astrological calculation. And second one, the Coca-Cola formula is the Coca-Cola company's secret recipe for Coca-Cola as a publicity marketing strategy started by David W. Woodruff. The company presented the formula as a closely held trade secret known only to a few employees. And third example is recipes for other soft drinks of Coca-Cola and other products such as KFC chicken and MC Donald's special sauce are also closely guarded trade secrets, but the Coke formula is the oldest. And the next one is copyright. Copyright is a legal concept enacted by most government giving the creator of an original work exclusive right to it, usually for a limited time. A copyright prevents anyone from reproducing the subjects either into or in part. And copyright does not protect ideas, rather, it only covers tangible forms of creations and original work. For example, art, music, architectural drawings, or even software codes. The copyright owner has the exclusive right to sell, publish, and or reproduce any literary, musical, dramatic, artistic, or architectural work created by the author. And what right do copyright and related rights provide? The creators of works protected by copyright and their heirs and successors, generally referred to as right holders, have certain basic rights under copyright law. They hold the exclusive right to use the authorize other to use the work or on agreed terms. The right holders of a work can authorize or prohibit it. It's produced in all forms, including print form and sound recording. Second one, it's public performance and communication to the public, and it's broadcasting. And its translation into other languages, and its adaptation such as from a novel to a screenplay for a film. And related rights are and performers. First one, performers such as actors and musician in their performance. And the second one is producer of phonograms, for example compact disc, in their sound recording. And third one is broadcasting organization in their radio and television program. And next topic is the main feature of copyrights are briefly presented below. It provides protection for a specific duration. And second one, it is applicable in all countries, and the copyright holders has the rights to authorize other to use the protected work, and it is applicable to books, movies, music, painting, photographs, and software. And the information cannot be reproduced as such without written permission. However, the information or idea can be used by anyone. And next type is trademark. A trademark is a distinctive sign of some kind which is used by an individual, business, organization, or other legal entity to unique identify the source of its products and or services to consumer, and to distinguish its products or service from those of other entities. And the main features of trademarks are: a trademark can be a word, name, symbol, device, or mark which is used to identify the distinguish the goods or services of one company from goods or services of another. And second one is trademark is used to identify its product and to distinguish them from others. It is the name of a product made by a particular person or company. And next one is the period of protection for a trademark varies but can generally be renewed indefinitely. And trademark may be designated by the following symbol. First one TM, SM and register R symbol. First one symbol for an unregistered trademark, a mark used to promote or brand goods. And second symbol is for an unregistered service, marks used to promote or brand service. And third symbol is for a registered trademark, a mark is used to promote or brand goods. And next topic is uses of trademarks. Trademarks are used to claim exclusive properties of products or services. The usage of the trademarks by its owner can cause legal issues if this usage makes him guilty of false advertising or if the trademark is offensive. And the unauthorized usage of trademarks by producing the trading counter it consumer goods is known as brand piracy. For example, the owner of the trademark may pursue legal action against trademark infringement. Most countries require formal registration of a trademark as a precondition for pursuing this type of action. The United States, Canada, and other countries also recognize common law trademark right, which means action can be taken to protect an unregistered trademark if it is in use. Still, common law trademark and trademarks offer the holder in legal protection than registered trademark. Thank you.